Cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. We have items that have been forgotten from the mid-century that you're not supposed to like, but darn it, you can't help but crack a smile, so stay tuned for Windup. That's right, Windup monkeys, Windup bears, and more. Okay, let us start with some Windup goodness. Farm bear. Milk. We got mugs. We're gonna look deep into his eyes. Wind him up a little bit and see what he does. That's right, he's a chugger. I think I've seen this with alcohol, but this one's the more generic kids version. Milk does a body good. Alright, Mr. Farm. Let us go to Mr. Painter Bear. Look at that! He's the Bob Ross of monkeys. And look at that outfit. He's got a beret too. Just exactly what everybody needed. Alright, these guys are like the Energizer Rabbit. There's a similar Santa Claus out there. Approve? Disapprove? This guy, I happen to think, is one of the highlight of the series. His head turns, his martini shakes, his legs and waist shimmy. He's got some sort of Gilligan hat going on there. Shaken, not stirred. Pipe smoking monkey. Librarian monkey. And you just kind of wonder what he's reading, right? That's right, it's Sears Roebuck 50th anniversary catalog. That's right. Shimmy shake bear. They've got him shifting, jittering. I almost wonder if this is pre-war. Look into my eyes. Okay, last but not least, I think everybody has to smile on this one. Alright, so have a great day. Cheers from over at Antique Toys. Creatures great and small, toys great and small. We enjoy them all, as long as it's high quality, well thought out. Please consider talking to me if you've got a collection to sell and a state to settle with respect. Cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys, and reach me at toys@AntiqueToys.com. Take care.